Are you a coffee lover looking for the perfect espresso maker to bring that coffeehouse experience to your home? Look no further than the Imusa 6 or 3 Cup Electric Espresso Maker. This sleek and efficient appliance promises to deliver traditional espresso, Cuban coffee, Italian coffee, and mocha right from the comfort of your kitchen. Whether you're brewing for yourself or hosting guests, the Imusa Espresso Maker has the flexibility and ease of use to cater to all your coffee needs. The Imusa Electric Espresso Maker stands out with its modern and stylish design. Crafted from cast aluminum, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The black exterior with a brown-tinted carafe adds a chic, contemporary touch to your kitchen, blending seamlessly with any decor. The clear Tritan top allows you to watch the brewing process, while the detachable base makes it easy to transport and serve. Not only is it functional, but it's also a beautiful addition to any kitchen setup. One of the standout features of the Imusa Electric Espresso Maker is its versatility. This espresso maker offers the ability to brew either 6 or 3 cups of espresso, depending on your needs. Each cup holds 1.5 ounces of rich, aromatic coffee, giving you the flexibility to adjust your serving size based on the occasion. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning coffee or entertaining guests, this espresso maker ensures everyone gets their perfect cup. The brewing process is simple and straightforward. All you need to do is fill the lower tank with water, add your favorite ground coffee into the funnel, place the carafe on the electrical base, and press the one-touch button. The espresso maker will handle the rest, delivering a flavorful, aromatic espresso in minutes. Plus, the visual brewing indicator allows you to monitor the process, ensuring you know exactly when your coffee is ready to be enjoyed. Safety and convenience are top priorities with the Imusa Electric Espresso Maker. The appliance is equipped with an on-off switch, allowing for easy control, and the cool touch handle ensures safe operation when pouring your coffee. The detachable base makes it easy to remove the carafe without worrying about burning yourself, and it's lightweight enough to carry and serve directly from the base. For those concerned about the learning curve, fear not. This espresso maker is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. While you'll need to season it first by running a few cycles with just water or coffee before your first drinkable brew, this process is simple and quick. Just keep an eye on the stovetop temperature to avoid bitterness, and you'll be sipping on café-quality espresso in no time. The Imusa Electric Espresso Maker isn't limited to just one type of coffee. Whether you're craving traditional espresso, Cuban coffee, Italian coffee, or mocha, this espresso maker has you covered. It enhances the flavor and aroma of your coffee, making every sip a delight. This makes it an excellent option for those who love to experiment with different types of coffee or have a household with diverse coffee preferences. This espresso maker is perfect for daily use, special occasions, and even travel. Imagine taking it to the office or using it to entertain guests at a dinner party. Its compact size makes it highly portable, and it's packaged in a gift box, making it an ideal present for the coffee enthusiast in your life. Why the Imusa Electric Espresso Maker is a must-have. With so many coffee makers on the market, what sets the Imusa Electric Espresso Maker apart? Here are some key reasons why this appliance deserves a place in your kitchen. 1. Simplicity and ease of use. The one-touch operation and visual brewing indicator make it incredibly easy to brew coffee without any hassle. 2. Versatile brewing capacity. Whether you need 3 cups or 6 cups of espresso, this machine can adapt to your needs. It's perfect for single use or when serving multiple guests. 3. Safe and portable. With a cool touch handle and detachable base, the espresso maker ensures safe operation and portability. You can easily move it around your kitchen or even take it with you when traveling. 4. Stylish design. Its sleek design with a black finish and brown-tinted Tritan carafe adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. 5. Multifunctional. The Imusa Electric Espresso Maker isn't limited to just one type of coffee. It's perfect for traditional espresso, Cuban coffee, Italian coffee, and mocha, offering a variety of flavors and brewing experiences. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable, easy-to-use espresso maker that delivers consistent results, the Imusa Electric Espresso Maker should be at the top of your list. Not only does it offer versatility in brewing options and serving sizes, but it also ensures safety and convenience with its cool touch handle and detachable base. With its durable cast aluminum construction and elegant design, it's both functional and stylish, making it a great addition to your kitchen. The ability to brew both 6 and 3 cups of espresso gives you flexibility whether you're brewing for yourself or serving a group. And the one-touch brewing system makes it accessible for everyone, even those new to espresso machines. For anyone who loves coffee and wants to bring the cafe experience home, the Imusa Electric Espresso Maker is a must-have appliance. With the added versatility of brewing Cuban coffee, Italian coffee, and Moka, it caters to a wide range of preferences and delivers delicious, aromatic coffee every time. So why wait? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your coffee experience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.